Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix overheating issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you are facing the overheating issue on your iPhone 15 series and you don't know what to do, so guys don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this overheating issue on your iPhone 15 series. So guys, first of all you have to close background app. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the app which you have used. These apps are the main reason from which your iPhone 15 get overheat. After this, then you have to update your iOS. Insecure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include optimization that can help with performance and overheating issues. So tap on your general, then go to software update and see if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. After this, then check for any app which is using the lot of battery. Simply go back and then go to general, then go back, then go to battery and see that which app is consuming the lot of battery. If you see that any app is using the lot of battery too much, simply and try to uninstall them on off or offloading them. After this, then you have to turn off background app refresh. Simply go back, then go to your settings, tap on general, then go to background app refresh, tap on background app refresh. Now turn it off for apps that don't need to refresh in the background, or you can simply off it from here. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to reduce screen brightness. Lower your screen brightness or enable auto brightness in the settings. For enabling auto brightness, simply go back and then go to accessibility, then tap on display and text size, scroll down and you can see your option auto brightness. If it's disabled, then simply enable it from saving your iPhone 15 from getting overheat. After this, and then you have to disable location services. Go to your settings again, then go to privacy and security, tap on location services and disable it. The location service option is, if it's unable, then simply disable it. After disabling it, then you have to remove the case. If you are using a case, it might be trapping heat. Try removing it and see if that helps or not. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to limit background process. Simply go settings and go to accessibility and go to motion. Then you have to on the reduce motion option. This can reduce the number of animation and potential help with overheating. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do reset all settings of your in your option. This won't delete any of your personal data but will reset system settings to their default. Simply go back and tap on general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and try to fix your issue. If none of the steps work, there might be a hardware issue. Reach out to the Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.